Hello my dear students, I hope all of you are good. This is your maths class and today I am starting a new unit, Unit 7 Multiplication. So all of you open page number 58. This is page number 58 and here Unit 7 Multiplication. Okay, so here are bananas. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 8 or 4 times, so 4 multiply 2 equal to 8. We say 4 2s are 8 or 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, so multiplication is a repeated addition of a number. It is shown by the sign cross. The result of multiplication is called the product. Okay, now here are some multiplication facts. First is the product of numbers in any order is the same. Okay, means 3 multiply 4 equal to 12, 4 3 are 12, or 4 multiply 3 equal to 12. Okay, the product will be same in any order. Okay, now the second is number multiply equal to 0 or 0 equal multiply number equal to 0. Okay, and the third one is number multiply 1 equal to same number or 1 multiply number equal to same number. Okay, means 3 multiply 1 equal to 3 or 1 multiply 3 equal to 3. Okay, so these are some multiplication facts. Now next is multiplications tables. Okay, here are tables up to 10. Okay, so learn these tables properly. Okay, now the exercise work. Exercise 7a. Fill in to show that multiplication is repeated addition. Okay, so 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 8 or 1 2 3 4 4 times multiply 2 equal to 8. Like this, 6 plus 6 5 times equal to 30 or 5 multiply 6 equal to 30. 6 5 is 30. Okay, this also this type. Now 4 multiply 5 20 or 5 plus 5 4 times we add, so answer will be 20. Okay, so like this you have to fill. Okay, now the question number 2, fill in. Here are multiplication facts. 4 multiply 5 equal to 5 multiply 4. Okay, the product of numbers in any order is the same. So 4 multiply 5 equal to 5 multiply 4. Okay, same 8 multiply 6 equal to 6 multiply 8. Okay, like this. Now 8 multiply 1 equal to 8. Okay, number multiply 1 equal to same number. So here 1 multiply 9 equal to 9 and 1 multiply 12 equal to 12. Now 6 multiply 0 0, 0 multiply 8 equal to 0, like this. Okay, number multiply 0 equal to 0 or 0 multiply number equal to 0. Okay, now the next is multiply. 2 multiply 8. So here we have to read table of 8, 8 to the 16, or we can read the table of 2, 2 8 the 16. The product will be same. 3 multiply 7, so 7 3 ja 21. Now 4 multiply 8, 8 4 ja 32. Now 5 multiply 9, so we have to read table of 9 up to 5. Okay, so 9 5 ja 45. Okay, so like this we have to do. So this is your homework. Do it. You have to read the table of the right side number. Okay. We can write like this also. Okay. 6 multiply 3. So we have to read the table of 3 6 times. 3 6 ja 18. Okay. Now 4 multiply 7. Same. We have to read the table of 7 4 times. 7 4 ja 28. Okay. So like this you have to do these sums. Next is fill in. 2 multiply dash equal to 12. So read the table of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12. So here we have to fill 6. Okay. Now here dash multiply 3 equal to 24. So read the table of 3. 3 8 ja 24. So here we have to fill 8. Okay. So like this you have to do these sums. Okay. Now the next page. Multiplying 2-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers. Okay. So now the exercise is exercise 7b. Do these sums. First question, A part 12 multiply 4. Okay, 12 is 2-digit number and 4 is 1-digit number. Okay, so multiplying 2-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers. Okay, so now first read the table of 4 2 times. 4 2 ja 8. Now read again table of 4 1 time. 4 1 ja 4. Answer will be 48. Okay. Now the B part 13 multiply 3. First read table of 3. 3 times 3 3 ja 9. Again table of 3 1 time 3 1 ja 3. Okay. So like this you have to do 14 multiply 2. So first read table of 2 4 times 2 4 ja 8. Again table of 2 1 time 2 1 ja 2. Okay. Now you can see F part 20 multiply 3. So 3 multiply 0 0 and 3 multiply 2 6. Okay. So like this we have to do all these sums. Now question number 2, A part 12 multiply 5. Now the carry 5 2 ja 10. So we can't write the 10 complete. So write 0 1 here and 1 carry. Okay, 5 2 ja 10. Write 0 here and carry 1. Now 5 1 ja 5 and add carry 1 6. Okay, so 60 is the answer. Again 14 multiply 6. Read the table of 6 4 times. 6 4 ja 24. So write 4 here and carry 2 here. Okay, 6 4 ja 24. Write 4 here and carry 2 here. Now 6 1 ja 6 and carry 2 8. Okay, so like this we have to do these sums, and these are homework. Okay, now the question number 3, A parts 64 multiply 2. Same 2 4 ja 8. Now 2 6 ja 12. Okay, 58 multiply 2. 2 8 ja 16. 6 here carry 1. Now 2 5 ja 10 and carry 1 11. Okay, so like this you have to do these sums, and these are in your homework. Okay, now question number 4, do these sums in your notebook. So take out your notebook, write exercise 7b, page number 62. Question number 4, A part 14 multiply 4. So you can write like this or like this also. 14 multiply 4. 4 4 ja 16. 6 here carry 1. 4 1 ja 4 and carry 1 5. Okay, so like this you have to do these sums. Okay, B C D part I have done, and E to K is your homework. Okay, now the exercise 7C at page number 63. Some story sums are here. First, a chessboard has 8 rows of 8 squares each. Okay, how many squares does it have in all? So all of you have seen the chessboard. There are 8 squares like this. Okay, so 8 rows and 8 columns. So total 8 multiply 8. 8 8 ja 64. So total the chessboard has 64 squares. Okay. Now the question number 2. A toy needs 3 batteries. How many batteries are needed for 6 of these toys? So a toy needs 3 batteries. Then 6 toys. 6 multiply 3. 3 6 ja 18. So total 18 batteries. Now the question number 3. Teams from 9 schools took part in a quiz contest. Each team had 4 members. How many children took part in the contest? So 9 schools and each team had 4 members. Okay, so total children 9 multiply 4. 9 4 ja 36. Total participate children 36. Now question number 4. A CD box holds 12 CDs. How many CDs will 8 such boxes have? So one box had 12 and 8 such boxes. 12 multiply 8 CDs. So 12 multiplied 8 2 ja 16. 6 here carry 1. 8 1 ja 8 and carry 1 9. Total 96 CDs. Okay. Now the next, do these sums in your notebook. So take out your notebook. First question is, Adil has a piece of squared paper. The piece has 11 rows and 9 columns of squares. How many squares does it have in all? So total rows 11, total columns 9, total squares 11 multiply 9. So answer will be 99 squares. Okay. Now the B part. A paint box has 16 tubes of paints. How many tubes will 5 such boxes have? So for it, a paint box has tube equal to 16. 5 such boxes have 16 multiply 5. Total 80 tubes. Okay, so multiplication will be there. Answer will be 80 tubes. Now the C part. A day has 24 hours. How many hours does a week have? So we know 1 week equal to 7 days. 1 day equal to 24 hours. So total hours in a week 24 multiply 7. 168 hours. Okay, now D and E is your homework. Okay, now the next exercise 7D, multiplying 3-digit numbers by 1-digit number. Okay, question number 1, A part. 1 1 2 multiply 2. So first 2 multiply 2, 2 2 ja 4. Then 2 multiply 1, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 4 is the answer. Okay, now again 2 1 3 multiply 2. Okay, so this is ones, this is tens and this is 100. So first we multiply in ones. 2 3 ja 6. Now 2 1 ja 2. Now in 100 2 2 ja 4. 426 is the answer. Okay, so like this you have to do these sums. Now question number 2, A part. 218 multiply 2. So first in ones, 2 8 ja 16. 6 here and carry 1. Okay, now 2 1 ja 2 and add carry 1. So 3. Now 2 2 ja 4. Okay, so like this you have to do these sums with carry. and these sums in your homework. Now question number 3, A part 112 multiply 9. Same, 9 to the 18, 8 here, carry 1. Now 9 1 ja 9 and add carry 1, 10. So 0 here and carry 1 again. Now 9 1 ja 9 again and add carry 1, so 10. So 1008 is the answer. Okay, so like this you have to do these sums, and these are in your homework. Now question number 4 you have to do in your notebook. So take out your notebook. Write exercise 7D, page number 64, question number 4. 214 multiply 3. So arrange like this. 3 4 ja 12, 2 here, carry 1. 3 1 ja 3 and add carry 1. So 4. Now 3 2 ja 6. 642 is the answer. Okay, so like this you have to do simple multiplication. Okay, I have done B and C part, and you have to do D, E, F in your homework. Okay, now the next is multiplication tables up 11 to 20. Okay, so here are tables 11 to 20. So you have to learn these tables. Okay. Now next page, page number 66. Here are some sums. Okay, do these after learning tables up to 15. Okay, so this is your homework. Do it. Okay, now the next page. This page only, multiplication by tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, count the zeros on the right of the numbers, multiply the digits on the left of the zeros, write their product followed by the number of zero counted it. Okay, so first 49 multiply 10. Okay, so first multiply 49 multiply 1, 49, and we will write the zero at the right side of the product. Okay, so like this we have to do. Now the exercise is 7E, multiply by 10. Okay, so 84 multiply 10, 84, 1 ka multiply 84, so 84 and write 0. Okay, now 62 multiply 10, so 62 multiply 10, then 62 multiply 1, 62, and put a 0 at the last. Okay, now the I part, 7 multiply 40. Okay, so look carefully. We multiply only 7 multiply 4. 7 4 ja 28 and put 0 at the last like this. Okay, so like this you have to do. This is your homework. Now the question number 2, 7 multiply 100. So first multiply 1, multiply 7, so 7 and put these two 0 at the last. 700 is the answer. Okay, now the I part, 8 multiply 500. First multiply 8 and multiply 5. Okay, 8 multiply 5, 40, and put these two 0 at the last. Okay, so like this you have to do these sums. Same in thousand. 2 multiply 1000. So first multiply this. 2 multiply 1, 2, then put these 3 0 at the last. Okay, now the E part, 3 multiply 2000. Okay, so first multiply this, 2 3 ja 6, and these 3 0 put at the last of the product. Okay, so like this you have to do. Now the next page. Now question number 4, A part, 14 multiply 60. So first you can write 0 at the last. Now multiply 6 by 4. 6 4 ja 24, 4 here, carry 2. 6 1 ja 6 and add carry 2, so 8. 840 is the answer. Okay. Now the B part, 15 multiply 80. So you can put this 0 at the last. Now multiply 8 by 5. 8 5 ja 40. 0 here, carry 4. Now 8 1 ja 8 and add carry 4. 12. 1200 is the answer. Okay. So like this you have to do these parts, and this is your homework. Now question number 5, same. 1 2 3 multiply 40. Put this 0 at the last. Now multiply 4 3 ja 12. 2 here, carry 1. 4 2 ja 8 and carry 1, 9, and 4 1 ja 4. Okay. So like this you have to do 150 multiplied 20. Okay. So you can write both the zeros at the last. Now multiply 15 by 2. 2 5 ja 10. 0 here, carry 1. 2 1 ja 2 and carry 1, 3. 3000 is the answer. Okay. So like this you have to do these parts also, and this is your homework. Okay. Now question number 6, same. 15 multiply 400. First put these two 0 at the last. Now multiply 4 5 ja 20. 0 here, carry 2. 4 1 ja 4 and 2 6. Okay. So like this you have to do these parts, and this is your homework. Now question number 7, do these sums in your notebook. So take out your notebook, write exercise 7E, page number 68. Okay. First question, A question, 46 multiply 80. Okay. So write this 0 at the last. 8 6 ja 48. 8 carry 4. 8 4 ja 32 and 4 36. Okay. So like this you have to do B part, and C D E F is your homework. Okay. Now 8 parts same. Okay. I have done 2 parts for you, and C D E F is your homework. Okay. Now the next is 2-digit number multiply by 2-digit number. Okay. Now look carefully, 2-digit numbers multiplication. First multiply 1 multiply 2, 2. Then again 1 multiply 1, 1. Then put a cross at the last place, means ones place. Now multiply this 1 by 2. So 1 2 ja 2 and 1 1 ja 1. Like this. Now add 2 and 2 plus 1, 3 and 1 as it. 132 is the answer. Okay. Now 14 multiply 13. Okay. First 3 4 ja 12. 2 here, carry 1. 3 1 ja 3 and carry 1, 4. Okay. Now put a cross at the ones place. Now multiply this 1 by 4. 1 multiply 4, 4, and 1 multiply 1, 1. Now 2 4 4 8 and 1 as it. 182 is the answer. Okay. So like this you have to do these sums, C D E. Okay. And this is your homework. Now question number 2, do these sums in your notebook. So take out your notebook, write exercise 7F, page number 69. Question number 2, 11 multiply 22. So first multiply 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 1 ja 2. Put a cross at ones place. Again multiply this 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 1 ja 2. Now add 2. 2 plus 2, 4 and 2 as it. 242 is the answer. Okay. So like this you have to do B part. C D E F is your homework. Now third, A part. Like this you have to do, and B part I have done for you. C D E F is your homework. Okay. Now question number 4, same. 28 multiply 36. So first multiply this 6 by 8. 6 8 ja 8 48. 8 here, carry 4. 6 2 ja 12 and 4 16. Now 3 multiply 8, 24, carry 2, 3 2 जा 6 and carry 2 8. Now add, plus करेंगे, so answer will be 1008. Okay, so like this you have to do B part. Okay, and C, D, E, F is your homework. Okay, now exercise 7G. Now 3 digit number 126 by 12. Same, 2 6 ja 12, 2 here carry 1, 2 2 ja 4 and carry 1 5. Now 2 1 ja 2. Now put a cross. Now multiply 1, 1 6 ja 6, 1 2 ja 2 and 1 1 ja 1. Now add 2 6 5 11, 1 here carry 1, 2 2 4 and 1 5 and write this one as it. Okay, so like this you have to do these parts. Okay, now this is your homework. Now exercise 7H, story sums are here. Question number 1, 47 children sent 20 New Year cards each. How many cards did they send in all? 47 children हैं, 20 न्यू ईयर कार्ड्स वो एक दूसरे को देते हैं. सो टोटल कितने? 47 मल्टीप्लाई 20, टोटल दे सेंट 940 कार्ड्स इन ऑल. ओके, if a packet has 52 balloons, how many balloons will 24 such packets have? So for it, 52 multiply 24. Okay, multiply like this and you will get the answer 1248 balloons. Okay, so like this you have to do 3 and 4 part. Now do these sums in your notebook. So take out your notebook. Question number 5, A part. The heart beats 72 times in a minute. How many times does it beat in 60 minutes? So heart beats in a minute 72 times. In a 60 minutes, 72 multiply 60. So you will get the answer 4320 times. Okay, now question number B. If a day has 24 hours, how many hours does a month have? So a day equal to 24 hours. 1 month equal to 30 days. Total hours in a day 24 multiply 30. Sorry, in a month. Okay, wrong mistake is here. In a month, 24 multiply 30 equal to 720 hours. Okay, this is month. Okay, now question number C. An apartment block has 186 flats. How many flats will 8 such blocks have? So an apartment has 186 flats. 8 such apartment has flats. 186 multiply 8. So total 1488 flats. Okay, now D and E is your homework. Okay, now your unit 7 has finished. Do all the work properly and homework also. Okay, now I am going to stop this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.